Here are 5 facts about Southport Pier as we fly over it. Fact 1. This is Britain's oldest iron pier. It officially opened on the 2nd of August, 1860, with a spectacular Victorian ceremony featuring grand processions, lavish banquets, dazzling illuminations, and breathtaking fireworks that lit up the entire coastline. Fact 2. Stretching 1,108 meters long, that's 3,635 feet. Southport Pier is the second longest pier in Great Britain, just behind Southend Pier. Look at that incredible length unfolding beneath us right now. Before we move on to Fact 3, please hit the like button. Fact 3. In its Victorian heyday, the pier was a true entertainment hotspot. It hosted famous performers including a young Charlie Chaplin and other music hall stars who packed the Grand Pavilion with cheering crowds every summer evening. Fact 4. During the Second World War, the pier was closed to the public and turned into a vital defense post. Powerful searchlights swept the night sky, helping protect nearby Liverpool from incoming Nazi bombers. Fact 5. And after years of careful planning, a £20 million government-funded restoration is set to begin in early 2026. With this historic landmark expected to reopen to the public around mid-2027, what an amazing piece of living British history.